Jai Sriman Bharata is looking at Ramachandra Swami and heard all the things what Ramachandra Swami said, and now Bharata is addressing Rama. Oh Rama, oh my dear brother Rama, here is the Padukas which are made, which are decorated with gold. Padabhyam Paduke Hemabhushite. You please wear this golden padukas with your lotus-like divine feet. Oh Rama, you know what? This padukas, after you wear this padukas, these are the padukas. Etehi sarvalokasya. These are the padukas going to bestow yogakshemam vidhasyataha. These are the padukas are going to take care of all the worlds. These are the padukas are going to bestow yogamu, kshemamu to all the worlds, all the planets. That is why, oh Rama, oh my dear brother, please wear these padukas. Then Sri Ramachandra Swami got those padukas and put his divine feet in those padukas. Then Avarukyacha immediately took out his feet from that padukas and gave those padukas to Bharata. Then Bharata did namaskaram to Sapaduke, Sampranamya, pranamam he did to those padukas. And then Bharata is now again saying back to Sri Ramachandra Swami like this. Bharata has taken Sri Ramachandra Swami's padukas and now saying to Ramam Vachanam Abravit, now saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami like this. Oh Rama, oh my dear brother, Chaturdasahi Varshani, 14 long years, Jata Chiradharohi Aham. Oh Rama, I am going to be wearing Naravastras and matted hair. Oh Rama, Phalamulasano, 14 years I will be eating only fruits and herbs. Oh Rama, Tava Agamanam Akankshan, I will be waiting for you. Oh Rama, Vasanvai Nagarat Bahihi, I will be living away from Ayodhya kingdom. Oh Rama, Tava Padukayoho Nyasta Rajyatantraha, I am going to give the responsibility of entire kingdom to these padukas. These padukas are going to be ruling the kingdom. Oh Rama, Chaturdasehi Sampurne Varshe Ahani. Once all 14 years are done, 14 years are completed, Nadrakshyami Yaditvantu. If I am not going to see you, Pravekshyami Hutasanam, I am going to be jumping into the fire and commit suicide. Like that Bharata said to Rama. Then Rama has taken Bharata very closely and then hugged Bharata and said, definitely soon after 14 years completion I will be there. Rama said, and also have taken Shatrughna. He gave a hug to Shatrughna. Then Rama is saying to Bharata, Bharata, take care of Mataram Raksha Kaikeyim. Take care of Mother Kaikamma. Marosham Kurutam. Do not show any anger to Mother Kaikamma. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. a special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.